working from home. Since the beginning of COVID-19 business shutdowns in Los Angeles, I've mostly been working from home. And here's my experience. It's been very stressful. The workday seems to go on and on and on until pretty much I go to bed. Now, I don't think I'm alone in this because when I'm talking to my clients or I'm calling the bank or just pretty much anybody, I can hear kids screaming, people talking in the background or lunch burning on the stove. So there is really no separation between our work lives and our personal lives because those two environments have essentially blended together. That is very stressful. Work-life balance. It is completely essential for healthy, happy relationships. When that balance is off, whether you're working from home and being distracted and not getting your work done, or you're just distracted in general because of stress and not paying attention to your partner, the work-life balance is completely off and destroys relationships. Our expertise here at Catch does not consist of helping you with your business, but we can help you with your personal relationships. Our strong advice is separate your work life from your personal life, even if you're working from home. One great idea we came up with is revival of the cocktail hour. Cocktail hour is not the same as happy hour. Rather, it's a private ritual that can be traced back hundreds of years. It's not about drinking or getting drunk, but about building harmonious relationships with yourself and those around you. By making it a regular and daily ritual, it becomes a marker in the day when we end work mode and return to our private lives. This is the time to be social, to have conversations, to catch up on the events of the day, and to pay attention to other people in your life without any distractions. You don't even have to meet in person. You can also have cocktail hour with someone over the internet. It requires some time and effort, but that's a part of the ritual. It's supposed to take you away from work and get you ready for a work-free, stress-free evening. Drinks don't have to be alcoholic, and the appetizers are your choice as well. The most important rule of all is just no distractions. Ban all electronic devices. They are not invited. Just pay attention to the other person and discuss whatever you like. And no more work after cocktail hour. You are done for the day, and the rest of the day belongs to you. All of these suggestions are available on our Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. These are excerpts from a book which will be published later on this fall. The book will have lots of wonderful photos, detailed explanations, and we certainly hope you'll enjoy it. The book will be available on Amazon and the Apple bookstore. The publication date is not set yet, but if you'd like to be informed, please make sure you're a subscriber to our newsletter, this channel, or just simply drop us a line below. Also, I'd love to hear all of your experiences if you've made any of these cocktails and any of the recipes, or if you have any ideas of your own. So please drop me a line. Until next time, see ya.